In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add full-width images in Wix the right way, using Wix Studio. Full-width images are perfect if you want a modern, professional website design where your images stretch across the entire screen, no matter what device your visitors are using. This works great for hero sections, banners, portfolios, and landing pages. I'll walk you through every step slowly, so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Wix. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that manages your website. Once Wix Studio loads, open the site where you want to add the full-width image. You should now be inside the editor where you can customize your layout and content. Next, we're going to add an image element. On the left-hand side of the editor, click on Add Elements. From the list of options, click on Media. This section contains all the media elements you can add to your site, including images, videos, and galleries. Under Media, click on Single Images. This option lets you add one image at a time, which is exactly what we need for a full-width section. Now, select any image you want to use. You can upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your existing Wix media library. Once you click on the image, it will appear on your page inside the editor. Don't worry if it doesn't look full width yet. We'll fix that in the next steps. Click directly on the image so it's selected. You'll see a small toolbar appear, and on that toolbar, click on the three dots icon. This opens additional image settings. From the menu, click on Stretch. As soon as you do this, the image will stretch horizontally to fill the entire width of the screen. This makes the image responsive, meaning it will automatically adjust to different screen sizes, like desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. At this point, you may want to adjust the height of the image. You can do this by dragging the image handles or adjusting the section height so the image looks balanced and visually appealing. Make sure to preview your site using the Preview button to confirm the image looks full width on different screen sizes. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Publish to save your changes and make them live on your website. And that's it! You successfully added a full-width image in Wix Studio. This simple technique can instantly make your website look more professional and modern. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.